The 511 Woman's Taclite TDU long sleeve shirt offers a stronger frame and lighter materials for a superior performance that won't slow you down. Crafted from our world-renowned Taclite polycotton ripstop fabric, the Woman's Taclite TDU shirt combines rugged durability and rip resistance with a Teflon fabric treatment that repels stains, soil, and moisture. Our patented hidden document pockets at the chest offer plenty of covert storage space. The bi-swing shoulders ensure full freedom of movement. For maximum durability, we've added 26 individual bar tacks at high-stress locations. This shirt was constructed to stand up to the most demanding tactical environments. We used a triple-stitch construction and tough melamine buttons that won't burn, crack, or melt. This TDU shirt has a feminine design that is flattering on most body types. Dual pen pockets can be found on the left sleeve. This is the 511 Woman's Taclite TDU long sleeve shirt.